Now that we've uploaded all of our important documents to our ePortfolio and have completed a reflection and an autobiography piece, we want to move on to making an advertisement that can be displayed in the hallway so our peers and teachers and visitors can easily get to our ePortfolios. To do this, we're going to want to make sure we have some key things, and we are going to make it using Google Drawings, the app. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go into your drive and find the red New button, similarly to how we would make a Google Doc. But instead, we're going to go down and select More and Google Drawings. Once this has been selected, you're going to come up with a blank page. These boxes in the background mean that the page is going to be transparent. The first thing that I'm going to do is actually insert some pictures that you might find my writing about. So if I did a literary essay on something, on a specific topic, I might put a picture of that in. If I did an information about personal interests or hobbies, I might put those pictures of those in there. To do that, click on Insert, Image, and then right from here you can Google search something in your writing. Click on the picture and click Select. One of the great things you can do with Google Drawing is layer your pieces on top of each other. So then what I'm going to do is click Insert Text or Word Art. If I'm using text, I'm just going to draw the box. I can also align my text just like you would in a Google Doc, make it bigger, change the font. I might change the color of the font to make it more eye-catching and easy for someone to read. So when that happens, the text, because I put the picture first and then the text came on top of the picture. But you might run into a case where the text comes behind the picture and you can't see it. In that case, slide your picture over, select the text, right-click, and change the order. From here, I'm going to also insert text boxes that say like literary essay and other important writing pieces or presentations that I might have in my ePortfolio. I also want to do a few other things. I also want to go to Google URL Shortener. And I'm going to take my ePortfolio link, the URL, and I'm going to make it into a shorter link so people who don't have devices that are capable of scanning QR codes can still get to your site. What I want you to do is notice the long site that I placed in, and when I click shorten URL, what happens to the site. This is going to take me to the exact same site, and I know I've done it correctly when I see my portfolio below it. All I have to do is copy the URL and put it into my drawing. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing here that I did with my writing because I want it to make it look like they all belong together instead of a mishmash of text. Now the other thing we want to do is make a QR code. So I'm going to go to goqrme.com. I'm going to click on the World button. That signifies that I want to enter in a URL, paste in my URL, and up comes my own QR code. When people scan this using a QR code scanner on an iPad, an iPhone, any type of device, they're going to be taken right to my site and have full access of it. So I'm going to copy that image and also put this here. Woohoo, didn't take. If you're having any problems copying and pasting the QR code, which most of us haven't, then download the image and insert it. Now I'm really looking for some creativity creating this Google drawing and really make it look like your own. Also, don't forget to give it a name and share it with me. That way I can print it out and we can hang them in the hallway.